Hey guys, today I'm going to show you where the fuse box is located on this Bobcat UV34XL side by side. If this video is helpful, smash that thumbs up button, leave a comment down below for the YouTube algorithm, it really helps out a lot. So you're going to come over here passenger side to the rear door here, come to the back seat, lift it up. And you're going to lift this cover right here. You can see your battery there. Right beside your battery is your fuse block here. The way you open this, you lift these tabs up. There we go. Got it, and then you just push these two tabs right here in. Same on this other side, right here. There are your fuses and relays. Got a legend on the top of here. If yours happens to wear off, that's what it is. Alright, so I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, smash that thumbs up button, leave a comment down below for the YouTube algorithm. Thank you for watching.